Hi, I'm Luke Pompa and I'm going to do a bike check. Here we've got a XLIFE Scorpio V3 prototype frame. This one has a Gilco top tube and a Gilco down tube. It's a prototype, so might change from this. It's in orange. We've got some XLIFE Scorpio V3 forks with MTX 33 rim, 36 hole, front and back, DT Swiss spokes to an XLIFE track hub on the front. It's a bit weak, I bent the axle, but got a G-Sport hub guard, a Odyssey GI peg, same on the back, GI peg with MTX 33, 36 hole, Mutiny hub guard. On the other side I have the DK social cranks 175s to Brev M glow in the dark pedals, Son straps, like with the devil. Got an XLIFE 36 tooth piece sprocket, piece sound, KMC chain, don't know what one it is, I think just 1.8, what it is, I can't remember. A 13 tooth resist cog with a resist locking nut as well, whatever it's called. Mini peg, comes with the XLIFE hub, saves your axle getting all beaten up. Tyre, back tyre I've got a DMR Moto 2.2. On the front I have a Gex Tattoo 2.3, Continental inner tubes in both. Saddle, it's a Primo pivotal saddle, Primo BMX with a XLIFE pivotal seat post, slammed down, so it's bloody hops. To the front of the bike, I've got FSA impact headset, a Profile Racing hip stem with the XLIFE compression bolt on top. I've got the XLIFE 690 bars, a bit scratched up, but that's from Coma skateboard. And XLIFE grips, the flange Gabit's cut off, so it doesn't rub you on your thumbs. That's about it, I think. Oh, got my XLIFE stickers, Scorpio. I've got the Level 8, the grime on that side too. Yeah, that's some of that shit. Grime. Fans. Bye.